Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear Indians living in or planning to visit Singapore tuning in. If you want to avoid common legal mistakes and better understand local rules, this is especially for you. Singapore is known for its cleanliness, efficiency, and strict enforcement of laws, where even minor violations can sometimes result in significant penalties. Here's something helpful for you: Singapore legal guidance with do's and don'ts for Indians from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the career section, open food, social, legal under the abroad category, select Singapore, and open the legal option. Understanding local laws and everyday regulations is essential for anyone living in or visiting Singapore. Visitors and residents should make it a habit to follow local laws carefully and avoid assuming that rules are enforced in the same way as they may be elsewhere. Public cleanliness is taken very seriously. Littering, spitting, vandalism, and public urination can lead to significant penalties, while public spaces are expected to be kept clean and orderly. Traffic and public transport regulations should also be respected. Pedestrians should use designated crossings, and public transport users should follow rules regarding food, drinks, and general conduct. Singapore is a multicultural society that places great importance on racial and religious harmony. Respecting different communities, customs, places of worship, and cultural practices is essential both offline and online. Offensive comments, discriminatory remarks, or insensitive jokes related to race and religion can lead to serious legal consequences. There are also restrictions on certain items and activities. Chewing gum is heavily restricted, while items such as firecrackers, betel nut, and other prohibited products should not be brought into the country. Smoking is permitted only in designated areas, and alcohol regulations should also be followed carefully. Employment pass and S-pass holders should ensure that they work only within the conditions of their approved permits. Understanding workplace rights, maintaining valid documentation, and complying with employment regulations can help avoid legal complications. Using fake qualifications, working for unauthorized employers, or violating employment terms may result in serious penalties and possible blacklisting. Students holding student passes must maintain attendance requirements and comply with study-related regulations. Part-time work is subject to specific rules and approvals, making it important to understand the permitted conditions before accepting employment. Tourists should remember that visitor visas cannot be used for employment purposes. Travelers should also keep copies of important documents and remain aware of customs declaration requirements when entering the country. For Indians renting accommodation in Singapore, legal rental agreements and approved housing arrangements are important. Subletting without permission or staying in unauthorized short-term rentals can create legal issues for tenants. Singapore imposes severe penalties for certain offences. Examples include fines for littering and jaywalking, strong penalties for vandalism, strict action against public disorder, and extremely severe punishments for drug-related crimes. Several government services and support resources can assist residents and visitors. Apps such as SG Secure, MyICA, and SingPass provide access to safety information, immigration services, and government-related assistance. The Indian High Commission and local authorities can also provide guidance when required. By understanding local laws, respecting cultural diversity, and following regulations carefully, Indians can enjoy a safe, successful, and rewarding experience in Singapore. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the career section on the Youthbuddy website. Open food, social, legal under the abroad category, select Singapore, and open the legal option. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.